Hello and welcome to LPR Kitchen. In this video, we are going to make an eggless vanilla sponge cake first, and later we will do the decoration part too. Before we start, I would like to request you to subscribe to LPR Kitchen YouTube channel along with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our new recipes. For making the cake, we need 100 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. Add half teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix them properly. Set aside. Now take a bowl, pour 120 grams of plain yogurt, add 75 grams of powdered sugar. Powdered sugar is nothing but just grinding of sugar crystals. Cream together sugar and yogurt until the sugar is completely dissolved. Add in 50 ml of any vegetable oil or butter. Whip it properly. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat properly. Now, shift the dry mixture of all-purpose flour, baking powder and baking soda into the liquid mixture. Use cut and fold method to prepare the smooth batter. If you think the batter is too thick, you can add 2 tablespoons of water. Now prepare a 6-inch grease cake tin with butter paper. Pour the batter into the cake tin. You can grease the tin with oil or butter. Give a swirl to the batter to make sure there is even distribution of batter in the tin. Tap the tin 2 to 3 times to remove large bubbles. Now bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once done, take out the cake tin and let it cool down completely. Remove the butter paper. As you can see how soft and spongy our eggless vanilla cake is, make sure you try this eggless cake recipe. Please let us know about your experiences with the recipe in the comment section below. Enjoy the eggless vanilla cake with whipped cream frosting. You can easily make them for some special occasion and can also eat them as tea time snack. See you again in the next video. Till then, eat healthy, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.